Introducing the Crucial Ballistix 3600 MHz DDR4 DRAM Desktop Gaming Memory Kit. This product is specifically designed for gamers and performance enthusiasts who are seeking to elevate their gaming experience. Engineered to be compatible with the latest AMD and Intel platforms, this memory kit delivers exceptional performance and speed. It supports XMP 2.0, enabling automatic overclocking or running at the JEDEC default profile. The modern aluminum heat spreader not only enhances the kit's durability but also adds a touch of style to your system build. Available in multiple colors, you can match it with your unique system design. The Crucial Ballistix gaming memory's incredible performance has earned it numerous awards, multiple eSport championships, and countless overclocking world records. It sets the benchmark for high-performance overclocking, making it the top choice for serious gamers. With 27,646 ratings and an average customer review of 4.8 out of 5 stars, this memory kit is highly recommended by buyers. It has earned the best sellers rank of number 2051 in computer memory. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Unlock the true potential of your gaming experience with the Crucial Ballistix 3600 MHz DDR4 DRAM Desktop Gaming Memory Kit. Get yours now and take your gaming performance to the next level. Don't miss out on this incredible product. Click the link in the short link below to see more details and make your purchase. Short link: https://amzn.to/4ifadvu